In this video, we're going to look at the basic ways that you can set up charts in Excel. There's a number of ways that you can actually go about setting up charts. There is the quick chart that you can insert. You can use the quick analysis toolbar, and you can also insert recommended charts. Now on top of that, you can use the ideas feature to insert charts, and you can also insert charts manually, but we're not going to cover them too in this video. What we are going to look at is inserting quick charts using the quick analysis handle and inserting charts using the recommended charts. And all of these will allow you to quickly insert charts into your workbook using data that we have. So I have a small table of data here, and this format of data is a very common format that you would tend to chart. So we have some names going down column A, and across row 1 we have the days of the week, and then we have the values in here. Now I'm going to select the entire range, and what we're going to look at first is inserting a quick chart using the F11. So F11 is a keyboard shortcut to insert a quick chart, and what this will do is open up a chart sheet. Now other ways of inserting charts don't open up chart sheets, and charts that are created on chart sheets do have some limitations. Now I'm not 100% sure why they have these limitations, but it is important to take note. So we see there that I pressed F11 and a new sheet was created with a chart, and this sheet does look different to other sheets insofar as you don't see the grid lines at all. Now if we right click on the chart and select Format Chart Area, if we go into our size option, you'll notice that these are greyed out. So are the properties, so you're not able to change the size and the properties. And this is because this is a chart created on a separate chart sheet. So if you do encounter problems with a chart where you can't amend the size or the properties, most likely it's because the chart was created using an actual chart sheet. The chart, when it is created, gives us our two new ribbons. It gives us our design ribbon and our format ribbon, and we're going to look at these separately. But quickly to look at the design ribbon, you have your add chart elements, quick layout, you can change your chart styles, you can switch between rows and columns, select data and chart type, and the chart design looks at the entire chart. Whereas with formatting, each element of your chart has its own formatting options. In this case, the chart area is selected, but you can select different elements of your chart, such as the plot area, and format each one of these individually. So that's getting a little sidetracked. We will look at that again in a later video. At the moment, we're still looking at inserting charts. And I've just gone back to our sample data. And what we're going to look at now is inserting a chart using the quick analysis fill handle. So I have all of this data selected, and we have our quick analysis fill handle down here. Now if I do a click on the mouse, and we can see here that we have the charts option available. Now we can then select between different charts and get a preview by just hovering over the actual chart type. So let me just select this cluster chart, and you'll see then our chart has been created on the actual same worksheet. Now the chart has been created based on a best fit that Excel has decided, and you will still have to go in and change things like your chart title and maybe amend your chart a little bit to a format that is more suitable for yourself. I am going to delete that chart now, because the third way I'm going to show you how to insert a chart is by using the recommended charts. Now the charts option is on the insert ribbon in Excel, and we have this recommended charts field under our chart grouping. So if we select recommended charts, we get a series of charts that Excel see as a possible best fit to the data that we have. So once we click on one of these, we can see a preview of the actual chart before it is created. So we can go down through all of the different types of charts that Excel identifies could be possible for this actual type of data set. And then you can select a best fit and say okay, and it will insert the chart for you. You can then go ahead and you can change your design of the chart, or you can change the formatting as we discussed earlier. So as I mentioned, there are other ways of inserting charts, but we're not going to look at them in this video. You can insert a chart using ideas, and you can also insert charts manually, but we're going to look at them in a different video. If you found this video useful, I do hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notifications button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye now.